Good morning. Welcome to Dietary Self-Defense, Tuesday, January 25th breakfast. And I'm having a little mixture of GoLean Crunch by Kashi and this Uncle Sam's original whole wheat berry and flaxseed cereal. It's also got a little sprinkle of whole oats. There's a chopped banana, about 5 fresh cherries, and a small handful of walnuts. And I'm putting a little soy milk on here. So lots of fiber, a little protein from the Kashi. That's something different from egg or salad for breakfast. So mix it up. Bon appetit.